Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today I will show you on how to start up your Phet simulation, because this simulation we will utilize in our classroom, okay, to learn about subtopic 4.4 gas laws, right? Alright, this is how you look for Phet simulation, right? Just type Phet simulations. Alright, and then we choose free online physics. So this is the interface. Alright, so we choose physics. Okay, so we can see that there are many types of simulation. Alright, so make it easier, we just type the title that we want to choose. Okay, so it will be Boy's Law. Okay, here, right, I choose Boy's Law Lab. Okay, now it shows a word of the computer activity document, right? And I have downloaded, right, the word document of the experiment report. So this is how we utilize the simulation. Right, I will show you the data that will be complete by the students when they use Phet simulation. Right, number of trials, volume, okay, magnitude of volume and pressure, and then they calculate the magnitude of volume and pressure, and then they will find the value of K2, which is P over V. Okay, now there are some questions they need to answer, and they also provide the graph paper, okay, so that the students can plot the graph. Okay, and discussions. So this is overall a very good material, okay, learning material for the students. And next, I have the download compressed zip file. When you click the download file, okay, the simulation will appear, which is the Boy's Law simulation. But for this simulation, it's not only for Boy's Law, because you can see that it's include the constant parameter, which is we can choose volume, pressure, temperature, or none of the parameter given. So all the gas laws can be simulated by this simulation. Alright, now to simulate the Boy's Law, so we have to constant, okay, make constant of the temperature, and then we have gas in pump, we have heavy species or light species. Okay, we can experimental with the simulation. Okay, you can choose light or heavy species, so I choose light. I can even choose heavy species. Alright, never mind. And then gravity, okay, and there are a few tools that I don't think that I want to use it. Alright, now, so this is the feature of the gas properties experiment in Phet, right? But we want to focus the Boy's Law, so we must set the container to constant temperature, so we choose temperature of new particle as 300. Okay. Okay, so that will be constant. Right now we will adjust the volume of the container by clicking the handle of the left side of the container. Right. Okay, so this is our manipulated variable, the volume of the container. Okay, so how do we measure the volume of the container? So we have ruler here. Okay, so we have ruler here. So we adjust to. Okay, so this in the ruler is in nanometer. We adjust to. This is 5.6. Let's say this is 5.6. Okay. From 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5.6 nanometer. Okay, and height was set by Phet as 6.6 nanometer. Alright, now light species. So we choose light species of the gas. So let's observe what happens when there is one gas molecule in the container. Right, we observe that the molecule apply the kinetic molecular theory, which states that the gas molecule will move randomly and it will hit the wall of the container. Now, what happens when we put more? Let's say 400. Alright, there are 400 light species gas molecules. Alright, we can see that the pressure, okay, at the border gauge shows 2.19 atmosphere. Oh, it is increasing to 2.2. Okay, what happened as we increase the volume? So let's increase the volume to 6.4 nanometer. Okay, so the pressure decrease. So we have the relationship there. Okay, when the volume decrease, what will happen to the pressure? You have to think of it. Right. The ruler. Right, so we can see that as we decrease the volume, what happened to the pressure? So the pressure in the closed container shown in the border gauge is 0.51 atmosphere, and when we change to light species, change back light species, right, so yeah, gradually will increase its pressure. And the pressure shows by the boiling gauge is 0.51. So can you conclude the observation between the light species of gas and the heavy species? Alright, that's all for now, and that is how we will utilize our Phet simulation in our classroom tomorrow. Okay, perhaps we will gain much knowledge by utilizing technology in our classroom.